Ouch. That hurt my teeth. Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm going to the fair because my family likes to go to the fair. My window's open. Should I close that? Boop.
We have to go this way.
That's a nice view right there.
Get a picture of me standing
What
with her.
the heck?
Right, let me get.
Hey, this duck thing is cool. Actually, no, never mind. It's creepy. I looked at it for too long.
Bye.
I love these like plants. I wish that more areas were like this. But this is like wow. All right, guys. I'm genuinely very creeped out from this. This guy asked me if I got milk. This tough guy down here. You know what? I do. And it came out of that cow in there like 10 minutes ago. That's just unpleasant. That tractor is cool actually. Ford, dude, that's retro. And then this is just that's really disturbing, man. I'm like uncomfortable right now. Like I look this way and okay, they're still there. Best part of the entire fair, right here, for sure. Some super retro truck thing. What is that? A milk truck. Food advertisement. Oh, these food advertisements. Whoa, look at that pig. I want to get that one. Can I get that one, guys? Chili dogs. Jiggin denders. Borg job. Hot dog. Oh, that sounds the same. Durgy legs. Cheeseburgers. Whoa, giant corn. How much for that one? That's massive, dude. Hey, that bike looks pretty cheap actually. Yeah, I don't want that one. Guys, you know about my bike. It's been in a few of these. It's freaking luxury nice. Wow. Did I get any on my camera? That's a pretty accurate mirror. Honestly, guys, I don't like the new Corvette very much. It looks too much like an American company is trying to be Italian to me, just personally. Nice wheels though. No, people have gotten their shoes rubbing on the doors.
Chevrolet is proud to see.
Maybe that was me. Wow, I'm stupid. Sorry, man. Sorry, door sill. F in the chat for all the door sills out there.
Down.
What? There's that view. Oh wow, that actually looks really
Oh my
cool.
gosh, wow, look at that. That is crazy. That's where we gotta go.
Oh, the wind is vibrating.
Oh my gosh. Oh, what? Who's doing that?
This has been a lot of walking. Got myself some new glasses. They're reflective. Everyone who tries to see my eyes will just see their own, which could be quite useful.
Sky ride, you know?
Huh, yeah. I got your license plate. Got your license plate. Dodge this. I guess they did, because they forgot their mask. They ain't dodging no Rona. Gonna kidnap
I'm
a
just gonna grab the diver quick.
Just right.